If your hoverboard only turns on while it's plugged into the charger, that usually means the battery isn't holding a charge anymore. In most cases, the lithium ion battery has degraded and can no longer supply enough power on its own. This commonly happens after 2 to 4 years of use, from poor charging habits or from using an incompatible charger. Hoverboards also have a low voltage protection feature, so if the battery is deeply discharged, the system won't power up unless external power is connected. Start troubleshooting with the charger. Plug it into the wall first. A normal charger light is green, and it should turn red when connected to the hoverboard. If the light doesn't behave correctly, try a compatible replacement charger. If you have a multimeter, test the charger output. A working charger should read around 42 to 44 volts DC. Anything significantly lower likely means the charger is faulty. Next, inspect the charging port for dirt, bent pins, or loose connections. If that looks fine, carefully open the bottom panel of the hoverboard and test the battery voltage. A healthy battery should read between 36 and 42 volts. If it's much lower, the battery likely needs replacement. Also, check the fuse near the battery or control board, as a blown fuse can stop the board from powering on. If replacing the battery doesn't solve it, the issue could be the main circuit board or internal wiring. At that point, it's safest to consult a qualified technician.